Utilizing advanced manufacturing technologies such as 3D printing and laser cutting, our team of engineers and technicians from numerous specialties design and create prototypes to benefit VA patients across the nation. This in-house capability allows custom device creation, a decreased cost to the facility and patient, and a reduced patient wait time for care products, all of which supports service lines across the medical system. Using digital dentistry technology, our dentists scan their patients and send the file to our innovation service, where we use 3D computer-aided design software to design and 3D print night guards, dentures, and other dental appliances. Digital dentistry provides patients their products faster and more accurately, as well as gives us control of the design file for reproduction if needed. A partnership with the Central Dental Lab allows us to offset their workload by moving products to a digital workflow. In doing so, we support the entire country by reducing turnaround times and cost while still providing a high-quality product. Our service is expanding as we currently help onboard the Tuscaloosa VA into digital dentistry by assisting on their scanner setup with the intention of producing products for their patients. A framework for digital dentistry for multiple facilities across the VA. Creating in-house assistive technology accessories and test sockets, our prosthetic support reduces cost by not resorting to external vendors and provides capability for same-day delivery and fitting. What took weeks now takes a few hours at a fraction of the cost, providing a better quality of life for patients and optimizing independence. Coordinating with radiology, a 3D model of an anatomy of interest can be created to help surgeons with pre-surgical planning and inform patients and their families on procedures. Printed models can train residents and clinical staff on providing better patient care.
The lab went through 6 different prototypes before coming up with the right fit, a game changer for Mr. Nicoletti.
The center received the first ever approval on a 3D printed medical device from the FDA, and since then has received approval on 2 more products through the same pathway, establishing a framework on how to design, handle the paperwork, and submit to the FDA for approval. Another cost reduction service offered is providing support to facilities management, ranging from sign printing to creating replacement parts for the building and small medical devices. Located in the research building, the Charleston VA has one of only 2 bioprinters in the country. The cutting-edge technology holds printed cells in incubators with the future aim of developing live tissue and bone for implants. The Charleston 3D Innovation Center, driving VA healthcare forward at the point of care.